Hi friends, as you see, this EKTORP 3-seat sofa has been pulled away from the wall. I have shown the assembly of this sofa in my earlier video. We felt it's quite a long time since we changed the sofa covers, and incidentally we happened to buy a new set of sofa covers. So in this video I am going to show replacing this old cover with the new one. So firstly we are removing the cushion covers, and then the backrest covers, 3 of them. We both are doing it. Then comes the bottom seat covers, again 3 of them. And finally the main sofa cover. You can see the main sofa cover is attached to the base with the velcro. So we are detaching it slowly and carefully, and then we are pulling out from the sides as well. So you can see that there are totally 7 pieces, and this can be machine washed. So this is the box containing the new cover which we bought, and it is in beige color, and we are going to show this cover being fitted. So I am now unpacking the box. So you can see there is a manual along with the set of covers. So we are going to fit the covers with the help of the manual. This being a big sofa, it's better done by 2 persons. So here I'm going to do this with my son, and we're going to start with the main cover. As you see, we both are fitting the main cover simultaneously on both sides, and also making sure that it is fitted snugly. So now comes the tricky part. So we are attaching the main cover to the base with velcro, taking care to see that it is pressed firmly. So it is very important that this is fitted very firmly. So we are now arranging the cushion covers, the remaining 6 covers, as the bottom seat covers and the backrest covers. The 2 backrest cushions that is on either side is a tricky part. So we are just placing the covers matching the shape of the cushion, and then we start putting it accordingly. So once this is done, the others are going to be very simple. The center cushion is just a rectangular cushion, so it's very simple. And after having done all the 3 backrest cushions, we have placed it on the sofa. Now comes the covering of the seat cushions. You can see a zip in the seat cushion. This shows where the cushion cover should be zipped. So we put the covers accordingly. So now that we have finished covering the base cushions, we are placing them on the sofa and adjusting the backrest cushions accordingly. So these are the new cushion covers which I thought would match with this sofa cover. I'm going to put these covers and then arrange it on the sofa. So friends, don't you think this change of sofa covers and cushion covers has given a totally new look to this living room? I hope you liked watching us do this and also this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye till my next video.